In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's open your Slack workspace. Log into your Slack account and navigate to the workspace where you want to add the Google Calendar integration. Take a moment to get comfortable here before we move on. Now that you're in your workspace, the next step is to access the app directory. Look over to the left-hand sidebar and locate the Apps option. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. You'll see an Add Apps button pop up, so click that to open up Slack's app directory. This is where all the integrations live, and there's a ton of useful stuff here. All right, we're now ready to find Google Calendar. In the app directory's search bar, type in Google Calendar. Once the official app appears in your search results, just click on Add. Easy enough, right? Once you hit Add, a new window will open with some details about the Google Calendar app. Here, you'll see a button that says Add to Slack. Go ahead and give that a click to initiate the connection between these two great tools. Now, a crucial step here is to allow permissions. You'll get a prompt asking you to review the permissions that Google Calendar requires to function within Slack. It's important to read through these so you know what information will be shared. Once you're comfortable with everything, click the Allow button to grant access. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one you want to sync with Slack. After you've made your selection, just click Continue. Now we're reaching the last few steps. You will need to grant calendar access. You'll see a list of specific calendar features that you can choose for Slack to access, such as basic calendar details, event syncing, and reminders. Decide which features you want Slack to have access to based on what will work best for you. Once you've made your selections, simply click Continue once more to finalize the setup. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Calendar to Slack. Now you can keep track of your events and reminders right alongside your conversations. This integration can really streamline your workflow, yet making it easier to manage your time without flipping between apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this.